Introducing the new CrossFire PRO MAX and PRO MAX upgrade kits. The PRO MAX offers a true 4x4 cutting area with 43% more capacity than before. More space, more productivity, with less need to reposition in single sheets. The deeper 3.5-inch pro-grade water table handles plasma cutters up to 85 amps, including the Hypertherm 85 sink, giving you the ability to cut materials up to 1 inch thick. The lead screws move the torch shed smoothly and accurately with less slipping than a rack and pinion system. The CrossFire PRO MAX runs on our in-house fire control software, the same powerful, proven system behind all of our plasma tables. Upgrade with the optional 21-inch touchscreen and dedicated Windows 11 PC. Load files, monitor cuts directly, no laptop needed. Get industrial performance in a compact, shop-friendly setup. Pair it with our in-house automatic torch height control, designed and built by us. Already have one on your CrossFire Pro? It moves right over to the new PRO MAX. Running a CrossFire Pro now? The PRO MAX upgrade kit expands and rebuilds your machine from the ground up with new 3.5-inch pro-grade water table, new lead screws, new Y-axis tubes, and more. Every major improvement without starting all the way over. Industrial performance, compact footprint, practical price. This is the new CrossFire PRO MAX, engineered and built in Texas.